Welcome to the Passport to Success video, where this week we are going to be looking at keyword research. In a previous video we looked at some tools which would help you rank on the first page on Google, so we are going to be going into more depth of some of those tools today. We are going to be mainly focusing on keyword research. So we are going to be using Google Ad Keyword Planner. This is the first place that you would go to, and it has everything that you need for keywords. To access this, you'll need a Google account and a Google Ads account, so if not, create one of them. Then this is the page you will go to. Go into Tools and Keyword Planner, and this is where you will come to. Go on Get, Search, Volume and Forecasts. Type in your keyword. We are just going with some general ones, make them relevant to your business, of course, and click on Get Started. Here, there are your keywords. On the left, you can type in multiple when you do it, as we did before. On the left, you can see your keywords, and it gives you the clicks, the impressions, the cost, but we are just going to be looking at the keywords today. And here, if you go to Keyword Ideas, you can click on that, type in your keywords, and then click on Get Results. And here, once it's loaded, you will have a lot of suggestions for keywords. If you don't spend over a certain amount, you'll get estimates on your average monthly searches, which are in this column here. So at the top you've got your 3 keywords, and then all the other ones underneath are the suggestions. These are good enough estimates to start off with. You are looking at the 10 to 100 ones. They aren't very popular, but they are good to target because they are specific. Let's find one. There it is, 10 to 100. If you are looking at the 10,000 to 100,000, these are very competitive and they are pretty pointless to target, like that one there. You are wanting to target the 10 to 100s and the 100 to 1000s. They are good to target, and sprinkle in a couple of the 1000 to 10,000, but don't focus too much time on those ones. Select the ones that you like with the blue tick box, and then you can add them to your plan. Select all the ones you want, like we are now, and then go up to Add to Plan. And then it adds to your keywords, to your plan. There we go, and you can go to Plan Overview. Here's an overview of your plan. And if you go up to the little download button, head to your keywords, because that's where all your keywords are. They're the original ones that we've just ticked. Select them all. Go to the little download button up here, and you download it as a CSV. Download your plant historical metrics. That's the one you want. And then it will download to your computer. If you open it up, here we have your keywords, and it's got the searches, and it's got all the other things that you need, all the other metrics that you can look at later on. Once you've got that sorted, we are going to then go to Uber Suggest. So just Google Uber Suggest, and this is where you'll get to. Type in your keyword in the orange search bar there, and then click on Search. And once it's loaded up, here you will see it's got such metrics like your SEO difficulty and the paid difficulty. It shows you the cost per click, but we're not going to be focusing on them. Now we're just going to be looking at the keywords. So if you scroll down, here are some keywords. There's the one that you chose, and there are other suggestions. If you go up there, you can then click into more detail of all the keywords, and if you like them, you can select them. And once again, similar to the previous one, you can export it as a CSV. Select all the ones you want, export to CSV. You click and it will download to your computer. Open it up, and there we have it, all those keywords, all those suggestions, their searches, their cost per clicks, and the other metrics that we saw earlier. And then as the final place we are going to go to, answer the public. Just Google answer the public and you come here and type in your keyword and click on get suggestions, get questions. And here, this is, instead of keywords, this gives you long tail questions which people are asking online about your keyword. Here we have this really nice image and it's got all the questions that people are asking based on your keyword. So because we've gone for cats, then it shows all the questions that are can, when, are, where, what, who, why, which, how and will, and then all the other questions that are from those beginning questions. This is really good to create content for your keywords, and then you can target the people who are asking these questions. As we say, look at all these questions people are asking about cats. You can come up with so much content about it. You can target the people that asking these questions. Up in the top right, you can download CSV, like with all the others, and then download it once it opens up. Here are all the questions that are asked, and then you can use it to create your content and to target those people. We hope you have found these tools helpful. Any questions, let us know in the forums or in the comments on social media. I've been Becca from Passport to Success, the online community and resource built by industry experts designed to help, advise, guide and support entrepreneurs and small business owners to success. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.